I just did a little test, the 1080p footage comparison between my A6300 and my A7R II and this A5100. So the results, well, it's expected, as many of you already know that A6300 is a little bit soft on the 1080p side. People always complain about A6300, so I was curious. I wanted to see by myself. I made this little video just shooting the water bottle, the label, and see. First I did with the A7R II with the 2040 to 40 zoom lens, the full frame super zoom. Let me show you on the screen here, but I'm gonna play the clip anyway later. So here, first I did this test. It's okay, it's pretty sharp, and then we go to the second clip. Is A6200 with the 18-105. It is so soft. It's like there's a huge difference between A7R II and the A6200 in terms of 1080p footage sharpness. And then I tested A7R II in crop mode with the same lens, with the 18-105 lens. I thought maybe it's because of it's in full frame mode, or because of the lens. So I used crop mode on A7R II and did a test, and the 1080p is just as good as in full frame mode. So when you use crop mode, you don't actually lose image quality in 1080p. So that's pretty good. Good to know. So yeah, it's still better than A6300. And then I tested on the A5100 using the same lens, 18-105, and the result is pretty much like A6300. It's very soft. So yeah, I don't know. It's a problem of Sony's APS-C lineup. Their APS-C cameras don't really shoot that high quality 1080p footage. Like I heard that A6000 shoots better 1080p than A6300. I don't know. Somebody tested. I watched that video like long ago before I bought the A6300. It is so strange that they put such powerful 4K in the A6200, but they cannot shoot very good 1080p. Like the 4K is so much better than A7R II. Really, so much better. It's downsampled from 6K. So much more detail, so clean. It's just beautiful. As opposed to A7R II's 4K, it's just okay level. It's not amazing. It's strange. He has such a strength on 4K and then such a weakness on 1080p. Yeah, that's my observation, and thanks for watching.